Can you see yourself in the 2017 Ford Transit? With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This strong, dependable Transit is an expert at hauling people and cargo. Available in multiple configurations with a variety of options, this spacious passenger wagon prioritizes modern safety features, stability control, connectivity, practicality, convenience, and creature comforts. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel confident, comfortable, and connected in this modern Transit. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our friendly staff will give you an outstanding customer experience.